Just as a point here, a lot of times you're like this, and you feel you're busy losing it. Even in jiu-jitsu, this happens a lot. As soon as my chest is not on his back, I've lost the position. You can actually watch one of Brad's fights, actually his last fight, last year, against Robertson Galway. You'll see the guy does the same. He starts moving out. Immediate. Top position. Sometimes we get caught on with trying to get the back, and he starts moving out, and we're trying to get the back, and the next thing he turns, and even in jiu-jitsu, the next thing he's here like this. And it's like, oh, jeez, now I'm here. Okay, think about mount. Back. The two most superior positions in jiu-jitsu, mount and back. Mount and back. You go like this, he starts moving out. As soon as I start feeling that, furthest leg on the mat. Lock it in. And now roll on my shoulder. Transition. Everybody understand? So let's do that before we work against the wall. Sorry, I think it's this echo affecting my nerves. Right. So yeah, you can strike. He's going to do that. Take two on the one, elevate your hips up, and use your body weight. Remember, you can strike from here. Start striking. When he starts using that other arm, I kill that arm. Once I've secured it, now I grab the wrist. Make sure you grab the wrist. You can grab his arm as well, or your wrist. I need to pull this now. I can slip and strike, or knee slide up and sit on the guy. Now just roll back. Okay, body triangle in. Strike. If I can, he's defending. Take this, track that. Strike. You can go for the choke or just finish striking him.